Hello guys
And welcome back to another video of
Twin Magic. In this video we're gonna show you a cool card magic trick.
that you can fool anyone that you want, and it's so amazing, and it's a self-made card magic trick.
And we can bet that you have not seen this trick so far.
And we can say that also this is the best magic trick that we have made till now, so we hope that you enjoy it.
As always, let's see the performance first and then we will show you the tutorial for you. So we have a normal deck of card. We can shuffle as many times as you want. Even we can give the card to the spectator to shuffle it. Okay, once they was happy, they give the back to the magician to do the magic. So as always, we tell the spectator to pick a card. We can tell the spectator to say stop, or we can just open the cards. Like in this case, since we don't have a spectator, we think that they say this card.
Actually, we will not see it. This trick is so important that we should not see the spectator's card, and this is very important.
So right now, we just show the card to the camera, but we will not see it. Okay, you hope that you have seen it. So right now, what we do is we will tell the spectator to say stop. We will assume that they say stop right here. Okay, we'll put their card right here. I will put the rest of the card on it. So we know we cut the card. Okay, we now cut the cards and we do some shuffles. Even we can do this kind of shuffle. We'll do an overhand shuffle too, to just make everything clear for the spectator. Yeah, we should add this that in this deck of cards we have the advertised cards too. We didn't remove it, so it's not a big deal. So yeah, you can add it or remove it. It's not important. So right now we will tell the spectator, do you want me to shuffle it again or not? They will say it's okay. So yeah, after that, for the last shuffle, till then that we do shuffle like this. And now we'll tell the spectator
That you will say the position of your card.
like I feel that your card I'm not sure. I think it's a sixth card. Well, you don't believe it? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will tell the spectator what was your card for the first time. They will say we don't know. Was this your card, right? So yeah.
This will shock them, and this will fool them. Well, yeah, this was the performance. We hope that you like it. So let's see the tutorial.
Yeah. Okay, this is the tutorial. We hope that you enjoy it and you like it. We need a normal deck of cards, and you can shuffle it as many times as you want. Okay, you tell the spectator to choose a card. We can do it in many ways, like this card. We should not see it, of course, but since this is tutorial, yeah, you will see it too. Is 9 of hearts. We tell the spectator to say stop anywhere that they like. Maybe here. Okay, and we use a pinky break. We think that you know what is pinky break, but we'll tell you right now too. We use our pinky to break from this pile and this pile, like this. From the spectator's point of view, it's like this. They don't think anything. They don't see anything. But here, yeah, we do some cuts to bring the spectator's card to the top of the deck, like this. And now, yeah, the spectator card is in the top of the deck. And now we use some false cut, like this, fake false cut, of course. You know, we control the spectator card to the top of the deck. We don't shuffle anything.
It's just a normal, actually we just do nothing. We just make the spectators we will do something that to make them believe that we are shuffling the cards, but of course we do not do anything.
Look how we do it. like this. Okay, for this shuffle, it's so easy. Like always, when you grab the half of the deck, you just make a pinky again, like this. Again, right here, nothing is obvious, but right here you have a pinky again from the spectator card and the rest of the deck. We should do these shuffles very quick. If we do it slow, the spectator would know it. So right now again we make some cut. Like this time we make two cuts to make it easy and make it so much real. Like this. And again we do the shuffle. We do the shuffle two times like this. From here it's like this, but from their point of view, nothing, they cannot guess what are you doing. They think everything is normal like this. And now we do three cuts. For this part is so important and you need lots of practice for this part. When you are doing this shuffle, we know that the spectator's card is in the top of the deck. When we are the bottom cards are not important. When we are getting to the last cards, it's so important that we should know what how many cards that we are releasing. Like here we have to guess. We should have a very strong eyes to we should count the cards so quickly. Like we should count the cards to know what are the position of what is the position of the spectator card. Like here we can see that maybe let me count it. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We should count it quickly. And if you want to make it easy for yourself, you can just release more cards, just to get like 5, 6, like the performance. Like we can go more than like this. Like, yeah, this is enough. And how many cards we have right now? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the second card will be in this 8th position, like this. And now we will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, this was a spectator's card, and we fooled them. Yeah, maybe it was a little obvious right now, but when you do it quick and your eyes will get used to these to the cards, you will know it after some times. Of course, we can now do this trick again, just to make it clear for you. Let's do it again. Okay, the spectator card is in the top of the deck. Use the shuffle. When we got to the last cards, we will count them with our eyes very fast. If the spectator card is in the left hand, you should count the cards. But if the spectator card is in the right hand, you have to count the left pile. Okay, and now, like this is great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the spectator card will be in the 7th position. Yeah, like if you are not sure it's in 7, 8, 6, you can say that I feel it's in 6, 7, 8. I'm not sure, but let's check out. You can do it in this way too. It's great this way. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will tell them no, this was not your card. Again, so I think it was not the 6th card, so I think it's the 7th card, as I said at the first. Oh, let me check it. Well, I think I made a mistake, very bad mistake. Let me see it. You know why this happened? When you are doing it very slow, this might happen. It's normal. But we think that you get what we are doing right now. We tell everything, and if you had again
question, you can just ask us in the comments
and we will tell you as soon as possible. So yeah, sorry for this time, because you know when you are doing it slow, it might get a little harder and you have to do it very fast. So yeah, this was the trick. We hope that you
enjoy it and you like it. Sorry for the mistakes in our speaking, but we tried our best to tell you everything. Again, we're sorry. We try to improve our English.
And if again we are saying that if you have any problem, just ask us in the comments and we will tell you very fast and we will answer you as soon as possible.
So we hope that you like it and you enjoy it.
Please subscribe to our channel
and we will upload more videos as soon as possible.
Have a great day.
Goodbye.